smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's very early morning. Haven't often got out when it's dark. The cathedral in the early morning. The plaza has nobody. Early morning, just a small stream of peregrinos making their way. A very sharp left just as we got out of town. We'll see. Haven't seen any of you guys. Good morning. Buenos dias. Sí. I've still not recovered, but we'll do a low one. Cacao! Okay, I gotta read why. Something different. And of course, on their church, they have a stork. Starting to get little hills again, but only little. Another very quiet village. Maybe all the people have gone to work in the city, but very quiet. This is a bell, a religious feature, but interesting. So sometimes you see these signs written on a wall and you think, well, I'm not sure. Oh, I think we're glad we did, aren't we? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a lovely bar. Good morning, day 20. So this is a fairly long day because we have to get to our current place. You have a long drag through León, going through the suburbs and stuff, and then 25 to 28k the other side. So quite a long day. Yesterday was a lovely day, shortish walk, and then we had a good half day in León, being able to sightsee. The cathedral's lovely. The Gaudi stuff, some of it was okay, but I think they stretched it a bit. And then obviously there are just so many parish churches and other statues and things that you can see that it can make a good day. A little bit difficult to get food, and kitchens don't really open till 8 in the evening, and you know, we're desperate to get something at 7. It's just the way it goes. But today is a fairly long day. The weather forecast for the next few days is just to get hotter and hotter and hotter. Supposed to be topping 90 degrees, so we'll see. Yeah, so let's just see where the day takes us. And out of nowhere, between two villages, is a picnic area where they have bins that look like they're picked up. Everything's clean, lovely. Buen camino.
Doing its own Camino.
It's doing its own Camino, you're right. Look at that, mate. Hey, feed me. A quick bit of flora incognita, and this crop is rye. So, coming through this section, we got rye and something they call bread wheat. Okay, I'm not a farmer, we're just looking it up. Haven't seen them for a while, but there's my spider's nest. Coming into the village, get a lovely mural. In fact, it's not a mural, it's mosaic. Wow. We have these lovely plates, so it doesn't spray it our way. We've been spotted. Clearly a sizable place, but obviously still a farming community, so looks like all the businesses are to do with farming. I don't expect to see any because they're sort of dawn and dusk animals, but we get a lot of signs to look out for these. It's a long straight road. And frogs. We're back into an area where we have these concrete irrigation channels. I have no idea if they're in use or they're just a relic. You quickly look up on far out how far this road is going to last. 5.5 kilometres, a straight road between all the fields. And it is a straight road. It's very straight. I think that answers my question. That is a manual sluice, so they must be in use. Working the land. Yeah, it's long. It's very long. Is this really true? 300 to go? I'm sure we'll find one in a few seconds. It'll be 302. All the way down this road, you're just listening to the frogs in the drainage ditch. And every time you look in, you can see movement, but it's quite difficult to catch a frog. Here's a good photo. Hey.
Into the mud.
Yes, of course it's that way. We've been walking for ages. Yes, it's that way.
Buen camino.
Buen camino.
You are very strong.
Thank you. There you go. Water in the concrete channel. and in a dug channel beside, all coming out into this channel. Here it is again, another big irrigation channel. It's pretty deep. This might be a slightly long-term plan, but there are no seats, but there is a bin. The final drainage channel of the day. And on the other side, there's some pretty serious equipment here. It looks like some out of service channels. Or maybe this is their store for replacement bits. Coming into the village before our stop to see if we can get some water and just sit down and have a bit of a rest. Hello, you two. There's a cart as well. The village didn't look promising from the outside, but it has a bar, has somewhere to sit, and potable water, I think. The cycle group.
Well, you can see there's plenty.
I thought you might have an underpass, but no, it's a bridge. I was wrong, one more irrigation canal. And then we go round the outside of this plant. I'm not quite sure what it does. Whether it's wine, unlikely, maybe it's oil. Huge bridge over the river valley. Into this peaceful garden. And through into reception.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.